My name is Dan Grabsky. We have 3 different garages that we bought from Alan's factory. This size here behind me is 25 by 30. Then we have a carport that's 20 by 36, and we have a garage that's 24 by 36 over on the other side over there. And the reason why we chose Alan's factory is because I went on the internet and I searched for metal garages, and Alan's factory warehouse came up, and their pricing was reasonable compared to everybody else. The thing I really liked about it is the interaction of the website, is you can design your garage the way you want it, put the doors the way you want it, put the colors on it the way you want, and the whole process was really easy, and all the people, they're all very friendly and very professional. They do tell you it's about a 8 to 12 week turnaround cycle from when you put the order in. We were lucky on all 3 of our projects. When I turned the project in, it was done within about a month. The garage was done in about 5 weeks, and this one here behind me was done in about 4 weeks.